In a cozy village, nestled among the green hills, lived a tiny kitten named Kreacher. One day, Kreacher, with his bright blue eyes and fluffy white fur, decided to embark on an adventure. Kreacher ventured out, exploring the hills, forests, and meadows. He met a friendly squirrel, chased butterflies, and even crossed a babbling brook. Each new discovery filled him with excitement and joy. One day, while exploring a dense forest, Kreacher came across a lost bird. The bird was scared and couldn't fly. Kreacher, with his kind heart, decided to help. With his little paws, Kreacher carefully picked up the bird and carried it gently back to the village. The villagers, who had been missing the bird, were overjoyed to see it safe and sound. The bird, grateful for Kreacher's help, gave him a beautiful song as a thank you. From that day forward, Kreacher was no longer just a kitten, he was a hero. As night fell, Kreacher returned to his home, snuggled into his warm, comfortable bed, and dreamt of the adventures that awaited him the next day. The end.